Hello. Welcome to the channel. I am Olivia Igwe, your London art director. I help female-led business owners to elevate their brand by having a strong signature style for them to walk with ease, class, and excellence. And today, from what you saw on the top, I partnered up with this amazing company, this German company called PM, and I wanted to share today the optimal set. So what is more or less the optimal set? It's drinks, your AM and PM, your morning and evening drinks that you take during the whole day. So this is the basics that you would take, or you could always have the power cocktail. I'm going to explain a little bit the difference in between both. You have the Restorate that you would take in the evening, and because I wasn't really that prepared, you have the Activize. Absolutely. Can you see? Perfect. Yeah, the Activize. Pretty cool product. Okay, so we're not going to be too long on this, but if you wanted, more information, or you wanted, to know the price, where you could purchase it, etc., I'm going to put the links below so you guys can go and check it out. But what I really love about this is, and I always tell, my clients, is you can have a great style, but if within yourself you do not look and feel comfortable, then how can you be the best version of yourself if your skin is not good, if you don't dress to success, etc. So these products that we really have found, I say we, but it's just me, myself, and I, so nobody else, right? So what you would take is so either the basics or the power cocktail. When we talk about the optimal set, it's taking something in the morning, the Activize during the day, and taking the Restorate in the evening. Power cocktail, or let's say this one is a little bit lighter than the power cocktail. This one was you would have it in the morning with sort of like an empty stomach. Really helps you feel full and brings you the energy, builds your immune system, and also just rebalances you, so you have something in your tummy ready, set to go. Okay, this one, if you weren't going to take this one, the power cocktail is more for people, for example, that are women that are pregnant, that have blood pressure. There's loads of information that you can check, but this one has less increase of Activize inside of it, which I'm going to explain right now. But the power cocktail really will provide like the vitamins, will give you, it has 60 fruits and vegetables inside of it, will really cleanse your intestine, is without gluten, no lactose in it. All you need to do is both put them in water, 140 ml if I stand corrected. Let me just read so we are on the right. Yeah, so 180 milliliters of water, and yeah, both are 100 milliliters. So you get these like this, okay? So they come in a pack for at least a month. I've been using the products for at least a month. I'm gonna explain what I have found and what has helped for me. And then you would, once you've had that in the morning, then you would take the Activize. The Activize is a drink that burns fat. So if you want to burn fat, makes you, has concentration, focus. I will absolutely tell you this. Oxygenates your brain, helps with the yawning, all that kind of stuff, which is amazing because I work from home and I'm always on the computer. I'm always online. You probably have seen me. If you haven't, welcome. But I'm always on the go. So this one is absolutely my favorite. So what you would do, and it smells of guarana. So people say, yeah, it's a natural caffeine. I don't know if you can see in there. Yeah, that's the guarana. I put in 40 ml of water, and I'm going to show you right now if I'm able to. There's not enough space in my semi-boudoir. So I have like my 40 ml of water that you can probably see or not. Can you? Yeah, you can see a little bit of the lining. Anyways, we're not gonna be too long because I don't want to make this video way too long. So what you would do, you have a little scoop in there, right? You would add it in the water. I probably have up to 2. It says to have 1, but you would have 2, okay? And you just blend it together. If you have a spoon, blend it together. Now, I must say, okay, for the ones that are pregnant or have blood pressure going on, I would probably say to go for the Activize Sensitive. This one is the Activize Oxy Plus. You may get a tingling effect. You may get, a little bit of like a flush. That means it's absolutely normal. That means it's working within your body, because these products have an amazing technology, which is the NTC, the nutrient transport system. So the products that you are having will assimilate really well with the water, but will work from the inside of your cells to the outside. So whatever your cells are needing will work correctly. So it's absolutely normal, okay? So don't get alarmed. That means it's working. The product is working, okay? And then from that, you probably can't see, but the color, it's a really nice orangey color, okay? So this is absolutely my favorite. This has really helped me focus, concentration. I have recommended it to thousands of people. Well, not thousands, should I say, because if you count like online and on my Facebook, on my Instagram, and here, and when you guys are going to be watching this. But yeah, this is absolutely my favorite, and it costs more or less than €1 per day. So absolutely feasible, right? Now, just going back before I have a drink in the Restorate, the basic I have had early in the morning in the Powercocktail. I've realized with an empty stomach, because I wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning, so I need something that helps me, when you wake up in the morning, that sort of like brain fog before you do meditation or prayer or whatever you guys do. I don't know if you wake up at 5 in the morning. If you do, tell me in the comments below. I'd love to know. But the basic that I have tried, for me, really does help just my mind, my focus. I've realized the Powercocktail is a little bit more stronger because it has Activize inside of it, but not too high, because it's suitable for women that are pregnant and what do they do? And breastfeed. Sorry, I was trying to find the word. French, English, and Italian. I'm like, which word? Okay. What else? Yes, the Restorate, which is the last one. Now this one, I've been using the products for at least a month now, and I love this taste. Like guarana. It's just so nice. I could drink it every day, all day. It's absolutely amazing. Love it. The Restorate, I've been taking it for at least a month. I don't really see much of a difference because I'm not a light sleeper nor a heavy. I'm just in between. But I must say, a few days ago, it was gorgeous here in London. And I walked for about, 12 kilometers, a little bit less, and my legs were so heavy. In the evening, I felt so tired. So I took this, but I will tell you, when I woke up in the morning, because this is really good. I didn't even explain what this one does. This one has more of a citrus sort of taste, with a little bit of lemon and a little bit of orange inside of it. Helps to digest, helps to recover, helps with sleep, and also definitely has loads of minerals inside of it. So all this is the optimal set that will really have you balance your body out. Now, a lot of you may be saying, yeah, but why would I take it? Because, I already have vitamins, etc. Yes, you may have vitamins. The oranges that we eat and drink, that we have today, don't have the same consistency as they had like 50 years ago, right? Does that make sense? So what these are going to do is the nutrients are just going to balance your body out the right way. So it's what you would take your daily vitamins instead of taking tablets that probably don't even absorb correctly, because this one has up to 90% of absorption within your body. Then that's how it would absolutely work. So I hope this is help for you. Tell me in the comments below. I'll put the link so you guys can also give it a look at the products. Highly recommend it. And on top of that, if you guys are not convinced, you get 30 days. 30 days to send back your products, just to show you how good these products are if you're not convinced about it, right? So any questions or anything, just put me in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll also put my link for my Instagram. Do tell me a hi, and yeah, have a great day, and cheers to you.